መንግስት ኢትዮጵያ በዛ አጋጣሚ ስደተኛ ታት ኤርትራውያን
ተመዝግቦም ትከላኸለሎም ንጽውዕ መንግስቲ ሊብያ ኣብ ልዕሊ ስደተኛታት ትገብሮ ዘሎ በደል ከቋርፅዎ ንጽውዕ መንግስቲ ዩጋንዳ ኤርትራውያን ተመዝግቦም ትከላኸለሎም ንጽውዕ ጃስቲስ for all refugees in Libya. Justice for all refugees in Libya. Justice for all refugees in Egypt. Justice for all refugees in Belgium. Justice for all refugees in France. Justice for all Eritrean prisoners in Eritrea. Justice for the journalists imprisoned in Eritrea. Justice for all the refugees are dying in Libya. Justice for all the children are dying in Libya. Justice for all the refugees are dying in Niger. Justice.